Hola, good morning everybody. What I'm going to do now is a quick recap of the past, forming verbs in the past. The main past tense in Spanish we have already studied when we did holidays, but also in year 8 when we did technology and when we did festivals. However, it's so important that we're going to be recapping this all the time and everybody needs to know it. Not just for the GCSE, but generally for your Spanish when you go to Spain or in conversations. Often you will be needing to talk about things in the past. What did you do yesterday, etc. All right? The first thing that we need is this verb table. Now, a few of you will know this off by heart, but quite a few of you might think, yeah, I'm not sure I remember. Okay, you need to copy down your own version of this table. Here it is. It's also on your knowledge organizer in the bottom left corner of the second side of this topic. So let's talk about how to use it then, all right? It is actually pretty straightforward and there's a really easy process to follow step by step. Okay, let's look at some examples. Let's say you wanted to say, I drank water. Step 1, think what is the infinitive. So what is to drink? So I drank, what is to drink? To drink is beber. Step 2, take off the last 2 letters. We always take off the last 2 letters. The last 2 letters are ER. Step 3, go to the table and just make sure you know we took off ER, not AR. So we're going to be looking in this line, not this line. And then the next step is look, what is the subject of the verb? Who is doing the verb? And it's I. I drank water. So ER, go across until we come to I as a subject. And we find that the ending is I with an accent. And that's it, all in one word. Bebí means I drank. And then we just need to add water, agua. Same thing again then, let's look at another example. They smoked. To smoke. Step 1, find the infinitive. To smoke is fumar. Step 2, take off the last 2 letters, AR. Okay, step 3, make sure you know you're looking in this line because it was AR we took off, not ER or IR. So this one. Okay, and then step 4, who is the subject? They. So I go from AR all the way across to they, here it is, and there I find my verb ending, aron. All as one word, fumaron, they smoked. Perfect, done. Let's do the third example together. She ran. Step 1, find your infinitive, to run. To run is correr. Step 2, I take off those last 2 letters, goodbye. The letters I took off were ER. Then the next step, look who is doing the verb. What's your subject? It is she. So I go from ER all the way across to she, and that shows me my verb ending, io. All one word, she ran, corrió. And example number 4, I walked. Hopefully you should be aware of this process by now, but I'm going to go through it one more time, okay? So, I walked. Step 1, what's the infinitive? It is to walk. Caminar. Step 2, goodbye, AR. Take off my last 2 letters. Step 3, I'm looking in this line, not this line. Step 4, what is the subject? So, who's doing the verb? It's me, I. So, I go across until I get there, and it's E with an accent.